Welcome to a video from digitallife.com. New build of Windows 11 to look at. This is 25211. There's just a few changes with this build, and but the one that definitely most pleased to see return is right click on the taskbar like that and you can fire up Task Manager. I know it was only a little thing, but it's great to have it back. It's what you're used to, and yeah, so many times I've tried that and it doesn't work. So I kind of got used to right clicking on the start menu, but that's great to see that back on there. So that is to me the main change with this build. So I'm very pleased to see that. Right, okay, what else has changed? Now back to usual thing of the Insider program not including all features on all devices. So Microsoft have added the full screen button, which it should be there, but I haven't got it because my device hasn't picked it up yet. And they've also added an option to go to settings. Rather than taking you to this screen here, it takes you to a separate settings screen where you can control the widgets, and you get some extra options. Now, as you can see, I haven't got those options there yet, but the options you should have, I know it's a bit frustrating, I can only talk about them, can't show them, is open widgets, open widget board and hover, show notification badges, and show announcements. I'll include a screenshot somewhere on here to show what they should look like. And it is frustrating when they don't include all the features, but that's the way it is. They just want a small set of insiders to test some of these features. So that's the change with widgets. Another feature that they're rolling out that I still haven't got is the ability to rearrange these icons. You should be able to click and drag them around, but I haven't got those on yet either. So the rest of the changes just fixes. They've fixed an issue with on the server side with date, where it's causing a message date time zones settings are incorrect. That was just an error message, but they weren't actually incorrect, so they fixed that. They fixed the issue with some issues with copy paste and empty recycle bin, where it sometimes wouldn't work, and they fixed an issue with black bars on the side of the horizontal mode when you're in dark mode, horizontal bars when you're in dark mode, and I'm in dark mode and I'm not seeing those issues yet. They fixed some taskbar issues, some input issues, and some setting crashing issues, and some issues with Task Manager as well. One, if you're Windows subsystem for Linux user, that they fixed some issues with increasing CPU usage as well if you're running on an ARM PC when the system was idle. So frustrating that these new features don't get to roll out to everybody, so I can't show those, but that is a great feature. Taskbar, just the Task Manager being able on there. It was in Windows 10, so I've got used to doing that, and I'm glad to see that back. So those are the changes that I can show you in this build. This is 25211 for Windows Insider on the dev channel. Windows 11 2022 update, also known as 22H2, has just been released, and I've got a full video of that on our YouTube channel, so make sure you check out that. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.